Hey guys, hope you're doing fine. My name is Nishant and we are at day 23rd of May LeetCoding challenge. Let's get into our question. Interval lists intersection. Given two lists of closed intervals, each list of intervals is pairwise disjoint and in sorted order. Return the intersection of these two interval lists. Okay, we are given two lists of some intervals and we have to find whether we have to find the intersections of these intervals. Okay, so the first interval in the list A is 0,2 and the second is in the first interval in the second list is 1,5. So 0,2 and 1,5 intersects at 1,2. So 1,2 is in the output. Okay, now 0,2 and 8,12 does not intersect at all, and since they are in sorted order, we just stop here and do not check 0,2 to 15,24. Since it is in sorted order, it will always be greater and will never be intersected with 0,2. Okay, so the last, if the end of interval A is less than start of interval B, we simply move on to the next interval in the first list. Okay, so otherwise we keep on checking the remaining intervals with this interval of first list. Okay, so let's code this and we initialize our answer container. Let's name it result. So int I equals to 0, j equals to 0, should be here, and while I is less than a dot size and j is less than b dot size. Let's calculate limit a start will be a of I of and a end will be a of I of 1. Since there are only two elements in this vector, we can simply get them by indexing at 0 and 1. Okay, start and end. We do same thing for B. Since we are iterating B with the pointer j, we need to also update the index to j. Now we get the intersection start and end point. So start will be simply the max of a start and b start. Okay, why? Let's look at this problem. 0,2 and 1,5. So whatever will be the maximum, that is whatever will be mostly on the right side. Okay, so 0, suppose this is 0,2 and this is 1,5. So what is the max of 0 and 1? Max of 0 and 1 is 1. So 1 will be the start of this intersection, and to get the endpoint we need to find the minimum of both the endpoints. Okay, why minimum? Let's look at 0,2 and 1,5. So 0,2 and 1,5. So 2 and 5. What is the minimum of 2 and 5? It is 2. So 2 will be the endpoint of this intersection. So here is our answer. This block will be the intersection. Okay, so and if start is less than equal to end, what we do is let's create another container to store this particular interval. What we do is we simply first push start into the answer, and then we will push and okay. So this is our intersection point. We got 1,2 and we pushed into our output vector, that is result dot back v, and just clear v at the end so that we don't keep appending elements to it. And to move on to the next element, 8,12, we just check if a underscore end is less than b underscore, and since both the lists are in sorted order, so if this is the condition, that is 2 is less than 8, we simply move on to the next interval of first list, okay. Else we keep on checking the remaining elements in the second list, okay. So else and just return res here and check for base conditions also. If a dot size and b 0, or if any of them are empty or one of them is empty, simply return a empty container, okay. Let's run it and it's judging, and the answers are same. Let's submit it. And guys, it's accepted. Link for the code is in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.